At the eastern end of Lake Ontario, the village of Sackets Harbor and the Sackets Harbor Battlefield State Historic Site form a seamless community of historical richness. Together, they form the geographical hub of northern New York's serene and picturesque waterfront heritage center. The significant military and maritime history of today's New York State Historic Site began with the War of 1812, and now this extraordinary place is recognized by the National Park Service as one of the top 10 War of 1812 sites in the nation.
Fire!
At the outbreak of war between the United States and Great Britain in 1812, Sackets Harbor, with its deep natural harbor, became the strategic headquarters for American military action on Lake Ontario. Barracks, storehouses, and fortifications supported thousands of military personnel and civilians who soon arrived to defend the harbor, build warships, and prepare for the invasion of Canada.
Learn about Sackets Harbor and the War of 1812 at the Sackets Harbor Battlefield State Historic Site. Discover the story of 19th century Sackets Harbor, from the first shots of the War of 1812 to the preservation of this unique historic site. Explore the past through living history programs and guided tours that will engage you in quality learning. Stroll along the trail, browse through the gift shop, or watch a sunset over Black River Bay. Experience the past. Enjoy this special place.